Have you ever wondered about the hidden gems of Europe? Let's push past the familiar cityscapes and delve into the continent's less traveled paths. The quaint towns, tranquil islands, mystical forests. Today, embark on a journey to uncover Europe's secret treasures. Europe, a continent known for its rich history and stunning architecture, holds secrets waiting to be discovered. Beyond the bustling cities and famous landmarks, there exists an array of hidden gems that remain relatively unexplored, steeped in heritage and brimming with the charm of the unknown. These lesser-known destinations offer unique experiences that differ vastly from the mainstream tourist spots, allowing a more intimate encounter with Europe's diverse cultures, landscapes, and traditions. Think of these hidden gems as Europe's best-kept secrets, places that have managed to keep their authenticity and charm intact despite the passing of time. They are the quaint towns with cobblestone streets, the serene islands with crystal-clear waters, the lush forests humming with the sounds of nature, the abandoned castles whispering tales of the past, and the charming villages perched on hilltops, offering breathtaking vistas. In these off-the-beaten-path destinations, you'll often find yourself stepping back in time, experiencing a pace of life that's slower, more relaxed, and deeply rooted in local customs. Here, the air is fresher, the food is heartier, and the smiles are warmer. You'll have the opportunity to immerse yourself in the local culture, try regional delicacies, and engage in traditional festivities, making your journey all the more enriching. In this video, we'll embark on a journey to some of these enchanting locations, from the fairy tale town of Sintra in Portugal, known for its romantic palaces and lush gardens, to the tranquil island of Vis in Croatia, a haven for nature lovers and adventure seekers. We'll also venture into the mystical forest of Bialowice in Poland, Europe's last and largest remaining primeval forest, a place where nature reigns supreme. These are just a few examples of the countless hidden gems that lie in wait across the diverse landscapes of Europe. Each one has a unique story to tell, a different experience to offer, and a special charm that leaves a lasting impression. Now, prepare to discover some of these enchanting locations. In the heart of Portugal, nestled amongst pine-covered hills, lies the fairy tale town of Sintra. This charming town is like a page ripped out of a storybook, with its unique blend of architectural styles, from Gothic to Renaissance, and its picturesque views that seem to stretch on forever. Sintra's crowning jewel is undoubtedly the Pena Palace. This colorful castle, perched high on a hill, boasts a mix of Moorish and Manueline styles, creating a sight that's as enchanting as it is unexpected. The palace, with its terraces and domes, appears as if it's been dusted with magic, standing out against the lush greenery that surrounds it. But it's not just the architecture that makes Sintra special. It's the dreamy, otherworldly atmosphere that sweeps over the town. With every cobblestone street you walk down, every hidden garden you discover, you can't help but feel as though you've stepped into a fairy tale. Sintra, a town where fairy tales come to life. Far from the bustling tourist spots of Croatia, the tranquil island of Vis awaits. Nestled in the azure embrace of the Adriatic Sea, Vis is a paradise untouched. Its seclusion from the mainland has preserved its unspoiled beauty, making it a serene escape from the world's relentless hustle. Imagine pristine beaches, where the only footprints you'll find could very well be your own. The waters here are so clear, they're like windows to the vibrant life beneath. But the true gem of Vis lies beneath the island itself, in the ethereal glow of the Blue Cave. This natural marvel, with its luminescent blue waters, is a testament to the island's quiet allure. The atmosphere on Vis is like a gentle whisper, a hushed serenade of nature that soothes the soul. It's here, amidst the tranquility, that you'll find the essence of true relaxation. Vis, an island where tranquility resides. Deep within Poland, the mystical forest of Bialowice beckons. A realm where the ancient and the wild intermingle, Bialowice is a treasure trove of biodiversity. It's an enchanting land where trees, some reaching the ripe old age of 500 years, stand tall, bearing witness to centuries of history. This primeval forest is a sanctuary for a myriad of species. Its rich ecosystem is a vibrant tapestry of life, from the smallest insects to the towering trees, each playing a crucial role in this ecological symphony. But the crown jewel of Białowieża is the majestic European bison. These magnificent creatures, the heaviest land animals in Europe, roam freely in their natural habitat, adding an element of raw, unspoiled grandeur to the forest. Białowieża's mystical aura is palpable, almost as if the forest whispers tales of the ages to those who venture into its depths. It's a place where the boundaries between myth and reality blur, where every leaf and twig thrums with age-old secrets. Białowieża, a forest where nature's magic unfolds. This journey through Europe's hidden gems offers just a glimpse of the continent's unexplored beauty. We've wandered through the fairy tale town of Sintra, Portugal, breathing in its romantic air, and admired its palaces perched upon hilltops, their beauty rivaling the charm of the town's narrow winding streets. We've sailed to the tranquil island of Vis, Croatia, where the rhythm of life slows down and the turquoise waters invite you to surrender to their serene allure. This untouched paradise is a haven for those seeking a respite from the bustle of everyday life. And we've ventured into the mystical forest of Białowieża, Poland, a place where time seems to stand still and the ancient trees whisper stories of the past, creating an atmosphere of enchantment that lingers long after you've left. But this is just the beginning. The beauty of travel is that it's an endless journey. Every corner turned, every path taken reveals something new, something unexpected. Each destination has its own secrets, its own stories to tell, waiting to be discovered by those who dare to venture off the beaten path. So don't just follow in the footsteps of others. Create your own path, your own story. Seek out experiences that resonate with you, that stir your curiosity and ignite your sense of wonder. Let your wanderlust guide you to the less traveled corners of Europe, where the true hidden gems lie in wait. Let this journey be a spark of inspiration, a call to adventure, because in the vast tapestry of Europe, there are countless threads yet to be woven, countless stories yet to be told. Europe's hidden gems, where every journey uncovers a new secret and every path leads to a new discovery.